Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.3 question number 3. That is question number 3 is fill in the blanks. Let us solve one by one. Question number A. Question number A is we will solve first question number A. Right? Let us take question number A. Question number A is -8 plus of dash is equal to 0. Let us take in the dash it is x. Therefore we can write -8 plus x is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to -8 on the right side, it will be plus 8. That is 8. The value of x is 8. Therefore, you can say that -8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? The answer it is -8 plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? Now, question number B. Question number B is question number B. Question number B is question number B, that is 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Therefore, let us take the in value of dash, it is x. Therefore, it is 13 plus x is equal to 0. Therefore, you can say x is equal to, on the left side is plus, and on the right side it is minus 13. The value of x is minus 13. Therefore, we can say that the answer is minus 13. Therefore, we can say the answer is minus 13. Therefore, plus 13 in bracket, it is minus 13. Then it becomes 0. Right? Now, we solve question number C. Question number C is question number C. Question number C is 12 plus minus 12 is equal to dash. Now we see it is plus 12. Plus into minus is minus. That is 12 minus 12. That is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. Therefore, the answer will be 0. Plus 12 minus 12, the answer will be 0. Right? Now, we solve question number D. Question number D is, here you see, what is question number D? Question number D is -4 plus dash is equal to -12. Let us in dash put the value of x. Then we can say -4 plus x is equal to -12. Then we can say x is equal to -12. In the left side it is -4, on the right side it will be plus 4. Plus 4. One is plus, one is minus. That means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That is 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. The number is 8. And which one is greater? 12 is greater than 4. Therefore, it will be minus. The value of x is minus 8. Therefore, the answer will be minus 8. The answer will be minus 8. Right? Therefore, minus 4 in bracket, it is minus 8. Minus 8. You get the value minus 12. Right? Now, we solve question number E. Question number E is, here you see, question number E is question number E, dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Let put the value here as x. Therefore, we can say x minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10. On the right side, minus 15 will be plus 15. Plus 15. Now 1 is minus, 1 is plus, then we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. That means you are getting 5. Now which one is greater, 10 or 15? 15 is greater, so the sign will be plus. Therefore 5, the answer is 5. Therefore we write the answer as 5. As 5. That is 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10. This is the solution of question number 3, exercise 6.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.